Welcome back to the channel. I'm still in Belgium in this beautiful snowy landscape of National Park Les Houtensvanjes. Last week I was in a dead forest with all those burnt trees, and it was an amazing place, some amazing images there. And right now we're just walking, crossing this open area here, and you can see on the horizon that there is some fresh snow coming down, creating a nice atmosphere here. So we're just gonna look for some nice trees, see if we can make use of this these atmospheric conditions here. But it's a proper winter adventure, that's for sure. So right now we are walking towards all those forests that you see on the horizon there, and they are completely covered with a fresh layer of snow. And we're just hoping to get these really nice winter woodland images with a lot of snow on them. And it was pitch dark when we came by there this morning, so we have no idea yet what we're gonna see there. But hopefully, this will deliver some amazing images. So let's head to that forest. Okay, first image of the day, and this might be a little bit too minimalistic, so please let me know in the comments what you think of this image. But I thought let's have a try here, because there are two, let's turn the camera, two grass spriets, I don't know how you call it in English, but two pieces of grass sticking out of this snow here, and all the snow around it is really tranquil, white, untouched. And it just looks really nice. And if you overexpose the image a little bit, you get this completely white scene with those two grasses in it, and it's really nothing. It's just two grasses, but I like this kind of images. So I'm gonna take this shot. Might end up as a square instead of a portrait or horizontal shot. Nothing fancy. ISO 200. f5.6, just taking this shot. So let me know what you think of this absolutely insane abstract image. So there are a lot of these grasses here just next to this path where I just shot that last piece of grass with the two spriets coming out. But there are a lot of possibilities here, and it's just really nice to look for this absolute minimalistic ones. And I shot a couple ones, so I'm gonna show them after this clip. So please let me know what you think of this kind of images. You know, is it searching for something that isn't there, or is there something there? You know, it's always the question. So taking this shot, next one, and I'm seeing another one here, and just let me know what you think of these abstract black and white shots.
So somehow I didn't record any audio on this particular clip, but what I want to show you is that there's a beautiful tree at the end of this lane, completely covered in snow. So I'm just trying to catch this beautiful tree with those green trees from the left and the right going towards that tree. And yeah, I think it's a really nice image, at least I hope it is. So this is the shot.
So the batteries of my Osmo just died. It's just so cold that those batteries ran down really fast. But look in the back here. There is some beautiful fresh snow coming down at the moment, and we're just trying to catch some nice images in the long distance here, making use of all the snow blowing towards or through our frames. So we found some really nice compositions. So if this worked out, then this next image will be the shot. So let me know in the comments what you think of these images. And we've almost made it. Oh, a little bit of a different camera, but we've almost made it to that beautiful forest back there. You can see all those beautiful colored white leaves on top. Yeah, absolutely amazing. So taking these shots and then moving to the forest. So it's an extremely beautiful day, beautiful environment, beautiful snow. The only problem is that this forest that we're walking to, this is all planted by humans. You know, all these trees, they are straight in the same rows, one after another, which composition-wise doesn't make it that interesting. And what I was hoping for is to find some small trees covered in snow in the middle of all these straight up trees. But until now we haven't found a single one. So that's what we're looking for, that there is something interesting to look at when you look into this forest. But that's what I'm missing a little bit right here. So we're walking towards a different part of the forest here at the end there. And hopefully we can find some more shots over there. But until now, it's been a great day, great conditions, lots of snow, you know. What more can you wish? Absolutely amazing. So I was just telling you that I couldn't find anything interesting within this forest. Now look behind me here. On this one tree there is this beautiful snow-covered branch hanging here, and there's another one on the tree behind it. And I just framed a portrait shot very low to the ground, so you can see the lower you get, the more of this branch gets visible. If you stand higher, you don't see it that good because of the snow on the ground, but now it's before the trees and not before the snow, so that looks really nice. And yeah, this is the kind of shots that I'm looking for, you know, snow-covered branches, snow-covered trees in a forest like this. That's something that's interesting. But yeah, this absolutely a really cool image. So happy I noticed this one just before I wanted to walk away from this forest. So now we're going to the other part. Let's see if I can find some shots over there. right now we're in the middle of this beautiful forest here, and all these trees are covered in snow. Just look behind here, and I'm actually looking at this section over there, and it looks amazing. And beautiful thing is that you can use this foreground here also with all these patches of snow in the bottom, and it creates a magical winter scene. And all those branches, you can see it on this tree that's close by me here, they are covered with these white layers of snow, and they go all the way up into these trees. And if you look, the further you look away, the better your composition gets. And from this spot it just looks amazing, because you can really see all those tree trunks separated from one another. And I'm trying to make sure that the sides of the images, the left and the right, are white. So not the trunk on the side, but the white pieces. That just looks really nice. So taking this shot and trying to get the maximum amount on the top also, so you can see a little bit of this white tree tops on the top there. Yeah, what more do you want? This is why you get to these winter locations. Absolutely amazing conditions. So still filming with the phone, because the other camera's battery's charging on the power bank right now, but hopefully you can hear me and this footage will be okay. So this is the shot that I'm taking right now. So this is the end of today's video. Beautiful location, beautiful conditions. I did struggle a little bit in this one to find some really nice images that are uniquely, you know, that are really found by me, and let's do it like this a little bit. But that makes it a little bit difficult to find something interesting that hasn't been done before. So it's all because of this forest, and I don't exactly know what it is, but still have some more time here in this beautiful area. There's enough snow here, so enough time to practice and find some more interesting images. I think we are going to get into the car and drive around to a different part of this reserve and see if we can find some nice images there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please push that thumbs up button, and there's a subscribe button underneath this video. If you push that and select all on the little notification bell, you will get a message when I release my next video. And for everyone that has already subscribed, thanks a lot. You're really, I'm really appreciating it. So all this snow is getting to me, you know. So we're quickly gonna go in for some lunch and some hot drinks, and then hopefully in the afternoon we will be able to visit another stunning location. So for now, from the beautiful snowy Belgium, bye bye.